Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my tutorials, and in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to draw heads and heads from different angles, and I'll be giving you a sneak peek on the dimensions of the face and or the guidelines and where to put them. So first off, we'll be starting with a circle. It can be rough if you want, because we're going to be hopefully inking or a painting over it. Maybe just putting a cleaner pencil over it. Make a new layer. Then 3/4 of the way down the head should be a horizontal line, and this middle line determines how far down the head your chin will be. So let's say around there. If you don't know, the distance from the horizontal line to the chin should be around the same as the distance from the top of the head to the horizontal line. Then we'll draw some lines coming down here like this, and then we'll draw like dots in the middle and join them up to the chin. Right now the head looking a bit slanted, but this is just rough anyway. We can rotate it if we want, like this. There. Now if you want to draw it from another angle, we could go like this. To determine the angle, you draw a circle. Anyhow draw a circle. Your vertical line down the middle decides which direction your face will be facing. So in this case, this way. And then the same process. Also, if your face, the circle would heads are more like this, because this is how the cranium is shaped. So we know that the jawline would come here. It's just something you get through practice. I recommend copying other people's professional drawings or photographs. You just roughly learn how the head is shaped. I can only teach you so much, and the real practice, no matter what anyone says, is copying. Same process. Also, I am intermediate. I'm not advanced. I'm at an intermediate level, so I can only teach you so much. But I'm just sharing my advice. But hopefully we can grow together. And yeah. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, so you can get and that bell button to get notified when I release a new video, because I will be releasing more tutorials like this in the future. Also, I want to share my videos with a wider audience for more people to learn and more people to grow with. So yeah. Also check out my Instagram. The link is probably in my bio if you go to the about section, and Instagram is on my banner. So yeah, that's how the head should be roughly. And then if you follow the face, oh, I haven't actually taught you the face. So here are your eyes. The distance from the eyes should be roughly one eye's worth. So roughly one eye, so boom. Yeah, it's roughly one eye. And then we could draw the eyes there. The face, so halfway down the eye line and the chin would be the nose, and halfway down the nose and the eye line would be the mouth. Okay, then let's draw top angle. So looking, so the camera is facing down at the character. So it's like this. Also, let me know in the comments below if my tablet makes too much noise. Just because I usually find the sound satisfying, but just let me know if it bothers you. There. If we're following, and then halfway down. Also because of foreshortening. Foreshortening is taking place here because we're looking down, so the head will be going smaller. It won't be like this, it will be going smaller. So again, I can only teach you so much, and copying references and, you know, like just images of Pinterest would be better. After this video, just go check out just some references and start copying. You trust me, you'll get better the more you do it. I know people get better different times. Some people take longer, some people take less time, but yeah, you'll get there eventually. We can also try an angle looking down. So to decide the angle, like I said, we'll draw the line over here. I was drawing the nose over here just to make myself clear. And then I'll draw a line over here, a line over here, and then the ear. And then this will join up, and this will join up. Hopefully this video helped you guys. I will be making another video like this in future, so but as I get more advanced, I will be releasing a lot more videos. I will release more tutorials now, but I'll create like part 2 versions of the videos I make, just to share more advice and expand further. So yeah, if you guys like the video, please consider subscribing, liking the video, and hitting that bell button. And in the comments below, just again, let me know about any videos you wanna watch, or just give me video suggestions, or if you have any advice to share, you can share in the comments below and help the community. Like I said, I will be releasing more videos, and hopefully we can grow together and learn together, and I will share my advice with all of you as I grow and learn. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.